Hi there, welcome to Standartplast. This video is about STP bomb Aero. It's a vibration insulating mastic-based polymer material with a high mechanical loss factor. It means that bomb Aero damps vibration and noise very effectively, and besides, it protects the car metal from corrosion and hardens it. Bomb Aero is used as a vibration-absorbing coating for car floor, wheel arcs, and engine compartment shield. The sheet material size is 375 by 530 mm and the thickness is 4.2 mm. Bomb Aero is multi-layer material. Its facing layer is a thick black aluminum foil with diamond-shaped embossment and gold brand pattern. The second layer is a composite mastic and polymer coating protected with release paper. We'll mount bomb Aero on this metal plate to show you how to work with the material. This is how it sounds without vibration absorption. For a start, let's cut out a piece of the material of required size and shape. Bomb Aero is easily cut with a utility knife. Now we need to prepare the mounting surface. To guarantee good adhesion of the material, the surface should be clean, dry and degreased. Once the surface is prepared, we can start working. Please note that bomb Aero is a thick and stiff material and it must be worn through before application. Otherwise, the material can be damaged in case it is mounted on a poly surface. Warm the material through with a heat gun on the foil side for several seconds. Then peel off the paper and stick the material to the surface step by step, pressing and flattening it with the hands. Now it's time to press the material to the plate. Use a special metal roller. Press bomb Aero thoroughly and avoid the formation of air cavities between the material and the surface. They can accumulate moisture which can gradually destroy the metal. So STP bomb Aero is mounted. Let's listen to the metal plate again. Bomb Aero has damped vibration, the sound is soft and hollow. The vibration absorber has accomplished its task. That's it for now, see you in the next video.